everyone, it's Gina with Purdue Extension of Floyd County. Sun's out, it's starting to warm up, which means spring is just around the corner, and it's time to be thinking about what we're going to plant this year. You may have already bought some seeds, you're looking at some catalogs, so we're going to go over some tips and tricks of things to look for on seed packets, or maybe you're going to buy some plants and we want to check out those plant tags so we know what's going on with those plants and how to best care for them. So in this video we're going to cover those things. If you ever have questions, remember to drop them in the chat and I'll try to get them answered in a video. When purchasing seeds for your garden, either vegetables or flowers, it is always important to read the label. On the label you will find information like when the seed has to be sold by, when it was packaged, how to start the seeds, and any pre-treatments they might need. If you have saved seed from previous years, just know that they may not germinate or sprout at 100%. On this seed packet, for radishes, you can find the packed for date, the sell-by date, a batch number, a lot number, the scientific name of the plant, information about the plant, and planting tips. The batch and lot numbers are important because if you have issues with the seeds not sprouting or the seeds are from a different plant and not what you bought, then you can give the company those two numbers and they can see where things might have gotten mixed up. When we start to explore the seed care information, it is important to read the label carefully because there is no standard on what order the information should be given in. On these two packets, you can see that one starts with seeds planting depth and the other with days until the seed sprouts or germinates. Seed spacing is also given. For small seeds like radishes, lettuce, carrots, etc., you may have to plant the best you can and go through and thin the rows as the seeds sprout and grow because small seeds are hard to space out. Plant depth is really important. If you go too deep, the seed may never sprout, and too shallow, the seed could get washed away, eaten by something, or never get warm enough to do anything. The label on the bottom also lists frost hardiness. This is important because not all plants can tolerate frost. If you are buying seed packets for flowers, they will have similar information given. If the packet is for a flower mix, be sure to read the packaging carefully to ensure you are getting seeds for plants you want. Some seed mixes may come with plants that you don't want because the seed company is in a different growing region. If you are buying plant starts, the tags will give you information on how you should care for the plants, including how far to space them apart. When buying herbaceous plants, being perennials and annuals, do some research to make sure they aren't aggressive or invasive. Thanks for tuning into this video. Again, questions, drop them in the comments, or drop us a line on Facebook, shoot me an email at gmanders@purdue.edu, and I'll get them answered as best as I can. Enjoy all the sunshine and the warm weather.